now we're live. Okay. So here's that I'm back. And I have completed the implementation of this one. So now it uses the base manager pool. And picks transports from it, and if it lacks the pool, then it uses the global one. Let's see it in action. Yes, let's see in action. And I want to try to do something interesting right now with the UI, since UI for Sim provides interesting stuff we can do with it. And I mean synchronization between players and some stuff like selecting options during the gameplay. And yeah, this interesting cutscene. I think I should maybe invite someone on stream. Oh, there was a release of new patch. Nice one. So let's teleport us to safe place and see what it is doing. So right now it drops units, right? Nothing new comparing to previous. And now what it does, those transports appears to be in global pool after moving units to a certain location. Now it builds engineers and other stuff for base. It also scouts. Let's speed up a little bit. It may take some time for it to request some transports. Or maybe I'm doing something wrong. Oh, wait. No, those are UI bugs. Yeah, now it request transports from a global pool. It should actually do this. Wait. Something is wrong. Wait. It should have requested it from like in the beginning, and they should move to the base. But something apparently went wrong again. Maybe I've messed up some conditions. Wait a second. If count is more than, okay, it's fine. It's fine too. think I'm missing something. It should move those to the base at some point. It's built one transport only. Oh yeah, now those are moving, see? They move to the center of their base. Okay, so it's working. And I also added to the Advanced Base Manager technologies, so now it builds Tech 1, Tech 2 with priority of Tech 2. I also wanted to do some free stuff, but I think I'm gonna implement it as another option. Because right now, faction convert will just mess this thing up. Or maybe it won't, I don't know. And let's try to do something with UI. I want to see how robust to sync this thing. I mean, how can I make it as example of synchronization between players? Let's call it a player. I thought it is a selection of some kind of abilities, or maybe upgrades player. Upgrades the blue. So the player is going to do here. The only problem is that I'm initializing players like this. And then it spawns and it makes ACUs for a certain army. Oh wait, it is a string army. Привет, Влад. Занимаемся важными делами, наверное. So yeah, we're allocating by string army, so we can probably use this to add it to the player manager, but I don't have ways to return it. Maybe I should return it as well also, but we know it's not this player's manager. Is it the player data, right? Color units delay. Apparently it is player data. What is this? It is a table. Oh, it is a table of army name or something like this. Yeah, and player data comment data, I assume. So it returns this one. Am I right? It has all these fields, yeah. So we're going to pass this data to so we get it from here. Then we're calling unpopulate. No, unpopulate is just populating. Let's save it like local players data. I actually have to assign a type for it. Players data. Maybe just alias, not class. Like this. Maybe. And here. And here as well. Okay, so now after we're starting our objectives, I have to move this one on top. Somewhere here probably. And then our objective starts. Maybe even here, right before the cutscene, during it. Okay, let's import this stuff. Import player up grades. I assume I have to do this like this. Yeah, main. I also have to pass this player's data. Yeah. So now I have so now I have information about the player's count. Just call 10 table dot get size and players data. Let's log it, and then let's copy this. Players upgrades not law, but it is on UI side, so it is called players upgrades. Yes. Players. Oh, called it like this. Let's make it plural. And now we're creating for each player UI. We don't need arcs. We have create UI and we have destroy UI. Of course it won't suggest me stuff. Also has arcs and name. I should take it actually. What if I don't pass arguments? I assume it just ignores it. I don't remember how this one handles it. But most importantly, I need a comeback function, right? Actually, I should open this. I don't remember it properly. So it's user sync. It just passes the arguments. And the arguments are data and data from. And from is not used. Oh my god, this is so bad. Forgot about it. That means have to update this mod because it's broken right now. Like, we don't have information from who we get this. From whom we get this message. Get checkout. Oh my god, checkout. Dev UI for sim 2. So I'll be just smarter. So name equals name, args equals args, and from equals from. Easy. And yeah, we have arcs here which are gonna be nil, and name is like the context of what we do. So here we have name, which we don't need, I think. I also have to specify like players upgrades, I think. I don't need name, I just need arcs. Oh wait, it's data. And from data I need arcs, data dot arcs. I also have to specify what function this is. No, not this one. This piece of shit. I need this one. UI for sim. This one. Here it is. So this data, it is sim to sync data. But this is not any anymore, it is let's call it data call back data, I think. And it can be and it has this one. It has args, which is any. It has field called from, which is an integer, or army index, just integer, because I'm just passing the get focus army. Let's just code fix bugs. And continue here. Create UI. Let's create a closure local count equals 0. So each time does it know what this is? It does not. This is bad. Okay, anyway. So we have to call this one after we gained all the callbacks when every player pressed the button. So let's call it local players there's players done, and it's gonna be a if not players done, I said done from, then we are incrementing this counter, and then we players done set it to true. So we know this player has pressed, and we also receive some data. Let's players done, not true, but data dot args dot. This is any, so we call it just option. An option is going to be an integer. So while count unequal to n, we wait for a second. And when we're done, we're returning players done probably. Oh, I have to remap it. I need to change players data actually. So I want to set upgrades according to players option. However, those players are indexed by integers but not names. But names are listed as in scenario, so here. So this is player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4, but player 2. How I'm supposed to get this? Get... I don't remember. Get... players controller. No. Table list armies, but list armies returns. Oh wait, it returns army index. So I found a solution, I guess. Let's do the same trick here. Let's... So now we're checking only for players. If not players done the army, then error. Something is wrong. Let's just go like this. I don't know. So we don't find this guy, and something is wrong. And then what we are doing is that we're setting the player's data as army. Oh, it knows only enhancements. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? I've been in here. Wait a second. Oh, the player data, not the array of player data. I guess there is something wrong with redefinition. Really? Funk has ended, oh no. I guess I have to rename this one. player spawn data. Hallelujah. Those name collisions aren't solvable sometimes. Like I can't call this oxygen dot later, or can I? Wait. I can? Okay. Next time I'm gonna try to fix it. So what do we need to change enhancements? According to local option, I think. So the enhancements are listed. Let's call it option equals to 1. So if it is 1, then player chosen the full suit, I think. So we don't change anything. But if it does change... Oh, I forgot the... It is based on faction. Is there a faction? I don't remember if faction is specified for this one. No, it's bad. I have to edit. Faction equals faction. Yes. Yeah. It's not used here, but it's used for better. Faction, is there a faction? No, faction. No, it's not a number, it is a string. In unit BP. Yeah, it is string. Never mind then. Maybe I have defined it somewhere here. No. Well, it'll just be string then. I don't care. Where and then here. Let's save it. Let's just copy this one and use did I just go like this? Those are gonna be reduced. So we're going to take out the advanced Arras and sensors. Fuck it. So cyber is of course laser. Да, привет, Вена. Напиши это еще раз, я тебя забаню. Я вижу, тебе весело. Well, we're going to take semi-sphere shields and what's Seraphim? Advanced resource allocation, I think, and wait. Didn't I give a Sarah ACU a nano region? I don't actually remember if I can do this. What? Wait. Oh, it's called, I think, damage stabilization because these ones are for... I think blast attack is for the expensive upgrade. So damage stabilization advanced minus. So these are enhancements. So we're going to take players data, enhancements, players data dots, action. I think like this. Okay, so and then we're quitting. And we've called this one in the beginning of cutscene. Now I have to create a button. And this is the most annoying thing. Programming UI is a bit annoying. Local controls, I don't know. Should probably make a class, but I'm too lazy. Local begin. Oh, and I don't have suggestions for it. Let's just find button. Or maybe UI util Control F STD button or something. Create STD. No. STD create. Fuck me. I don't remember. Just button. 209 noise. I like it. Blah 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 blah. create button. No, I don't need this one. I need create button std. I just want to find the button from the lobby, but I guess let's just look at my modification. Hot build overhaul probably have some buttons there. No, it must be here somewhere. Button. Yeah, this one. So let's make 2 buttons. Of course, I need your tools. UI 2, and yeah. Let's import this one, and most of the stuff I probably need it. And get frame 0, I just call the parents. And it's gonna be a, I don't know, I'll just call it easy and hard for now. I'm gonna change it. Easy BTN, hard BTN. Now I have to position it. Let me import local layout for unity.layout.use.4, and now we're having powers of the sun. Width, let it be 300. I know it's a group, it's not a big map at all. I can actually add a frame to it. Height 100, over parent 1000, I guess, and disable hit test. Now buttons, easy BTN, at left, center in, if I remember correct. Yeah, at left, center in, and parent, so it's controls. Let's make an offset, and also hard BTN. It's gonna be at right, center in, controls 5. Now I have to specify the callback functions of these buttons. And I probably have to add text when you press. Oh, I can create standard text, I guess. Yeah, like this. Copy pasting is not good behavior, but I'm too lazy right now, don't blame me for it. Local weight text controls. Wait for other players. Let's make it 20 so players see this nicely. Drop down shadow. And for now we're going to position it at center of our and also gonna hide it. Set hide. So now if hard BTN is pressed on click as well as easy BTN dots on click, UI for sim dot callback name, then we're passing data. I don't remember what kind of data we should pass there. Let's see what this does. Oh, just data. Where it sends it? Oh, it just uses this one as arguments. Okay, so for simplification, it's just arguments. Yeah. Option equals to 1. And if hard is 2, right? We did this. Yeah, if it's hard, then you're having issues. And also I have to destroy all the buttons or just hide them, I guess. Let's just hide those. And easy btn hide. But show the text. Wait text show. And the same thing here. Let's try it. I guess it won't work at the first first attempt, but we're here to try stuff. Should I specify the sizes of these buttons or not? I guess I don't. Yeah, they have their own size. Don't crash, don't crash. I also have to test it for these things. Let's cross the fingers. Now it should stuck in the cutscene and wait for our input. For me right now only, but it crashed. It crashed. No. What happened? Did I fuck up or what? There's so many errors. But those are only lazy war errors. There should be one more that goes. Oh, I see now. You see this text? It's on top for some reason. I can't press it. That's why it is stuck. What did I wrong with layouts? I'm a UI modder and I fucked up with it. Hard BTN, left centering, controls, height, width. Oh, I forgot to set it at center in. I'm dumb. Yeah, my bad. I forgot to set the center of this one. But for some reason I didn't see buttons texture. It's bad. Why can I move around if I am in the not input screen mode? What the fuck with you, piece of shit? Oh, I'm not. I'm dumb. I forgot that I didn't put it there. Oh, let's output the. I wanted to represent the table I get after pressing. Let's just check how it works. Nice. Choose your destiny. Okay, let's. Oh, I don't see the mouse. Oh, fuck. Wait. I don't see the mouse because of not input screen mode. This is hilarious. Let's just code easy. I can't press. Oh, this is fucked. Or am I doing something wrong? Oh, I also forgot to mention that the AI starts to build the units and it dropped units, by the way, right now. Oh wait, no, it didn't. It just started to build stuff. I have to fix that. Why don't it do anything? Log. Or maybe I fucked up something. On click. No, it's pronounced correct. Let's just hard log some values. Hard, easy. And I also can't restart the game because I'm locked. Let's just go to the. can actually wait enough time to cause some issues. So I'm pressing. I can't see that I'm hovering the button. It's a bad idea. Nothing happens when I press. I guess it's because of this mode. It interrupts the clicks. Okay, let's pull it out of this mode. Just for testing, because I can't do anything. I have to manually restart the game each time. So the goal here is to get different upgrades depending on what you press and return it as an option. So game decides how attack you, for example. But basically it's just a quick demo of what happens. I also don't need this here. Option, bruh. Let's go easy. Oh, it waited for other players. Nice. Now I have a full suit upgrade because I've chosen the first option. Let's restart and yeah. And now I'm going to test it for 2 players to see if it desyncs. I also want to test if print statements in simulation are displayed. For example, if I press like here and it shows, oh, this player decides to play on easy mode. Hard. And I don't have the semi-dome shield. Or just dome. Yeah, I don't have shield now. I guess if I... Or Cyburn. That's actually nice. I'm just making cool stuff. Let's print if our absorption equals to 1, then else if equals to 2, then print I also can get the player name. I guess I have to take this. Oh no, it's list of armies, not player name. I should pass from UI additional data. Okay, let's just print list armies from had chosen easy. So players are going to blame him for it. Let's put it somewhere here to index it easier. Had chosen hard. So everyone knows that you're a pussy. Let's start 2 games and see what happens. Sorry for it. I'm ill for 3 weeks already. Fuck this world. Oh, now it's gonna lag as fuck. Because 2 games. I ran 2 games. Oh my god. Wanna see the game in half of the screen. Who's... Oh, Speedo answer me. No one watch stream. Multiplayer LAN. So the way you can test your stuff, you can just run 2 games and go to multiplayer LAN. Let's rename this one to just Azot. Oh my god. And here, I don't know. Oh, it lagged so hard. This lags because it searched for connection. Yeah. Bruh, my Smurfette was banned. And now we're 2 playing this nice game. Let's see what we're going to get. Oh, this is so fucked. Jesus Christ. It lags so hard because it uses only one core of my PC. Oh, what happened? It crashed. Something went wrong. Let's try it again. Could it crash because of resolution? Can I close it for a while? Okay, I'll leave this as out as well. Testing again. Hope we won't crash. Waiting for other players. Please load, you shit. Well, I choose hard. Wait for other players. I choose easy. Okay, it didn't desync. At least. This is hilarious. These cameras, and they're out of sync. I hope this is not the... Oh fuck. I guess it's fine. And this guy has only... yeah. Yeah, it worked perfectly. Perfectly. It's fine, but we're going to die because of this shit. I'm quitting. Okay, so it worked fine, no these things. Yeah, boy. Just imagine the 2 pictures, like GigaChat and I don't know. But how is it called? I don't remember. Doggy Mimi or what? How is it called? It's called Champ or something. Oh yeah, it's Cheems. Cheems Mimi. Can I don't need to search an image. Oh my god. Can you please open it?
Выйди нахуй с комнаты отсюда, долбоёб. Да я тебя сейчас въебало выйду. Ебать. Я на парня сейчас я разберусь.
And a phone call. So let's bitch factor it. So now we want to, I don't know, just demonstration. Now we have weak and strong players. I should actually return it. Return. But maybe not as. Let's leave it like this then. But I'd probably want to see the names, because player 1, player 2 is not representative. I can pass the name from UI, I guess. Let's do stuff. Can I leave? Or git status? Who's pinging me over and over again? People want me. Git commit add option UI, I guess. Oh, I forgot. Git add command. Nice image. Yeah, it was merged. A final test, just to demonstrate some stuff. Screenshots. Oh, and also have to update the UI for Sim to version 2. This is stupid. You can move around with your mouse. And screenshot it. Yay. This camera. Why is it moving with flags? Oh no, I don't have laser. I have to run. I know what's coming there. I can make a... Can I survive this attack actually? Alone? I guess I can. Or wait, I could make a...
System enabled.
Fuck, this is so many. This is a fucking horror. And I don't have a gun and I don't have a vision. Fuck, this is so much damage.
Lieutenant! Lieutenant! We've lost your signal. Lieutenant, report.
Yeah, without lasers, just... a torture. What do I want? I want to reduce this. But when do I get players count? I get it on population. Oh wait, I have this thing. Players data can just get size. Let it be like this, and I'm gonna multiply this by table.getSize of players data. So if I choose the medium, will it crash because I'm using the float? It should not, I think. It printed one, okay. Easy, I'm gonna beat this. And I'm Sarah. It should be much easier now. How many transports are there? Only 3. Actually, it's a bit easy now. It's 5 bricks. Nah, I'm gonna increase it. 2. Let's make it 1.5, 2.5, and 3.5. Like if wait, how many transports is it gonna be? 3 multiplied by 3.5 for 4 players. 42 transports. What the fuck? I guess it's a bit more. It's a lot. It's a bit. It's a bit more. Okay, 2 and 2.5. So it's gonna be 30 transports if there are 4 AC. No, it's 2 more. It's still 2 more. What's 1.75 and 2? Yeah, should be fine. No, it's not. So let's make it like this. Wait, it's gonna be only 1 transport for 167. See, I killed it and I got for that. Okay, so for now I think it's okay. And what about the UI for sim? It should be updated. It should be updated. Git push, then I'm gonna merge it after updating mod info. Yeah, looking good. It's 1.5 hour thing. Gonna add at some point. Yeah. So what we've done today, or maybe for this stream, is implemented this strange stuff for synchronization between players. Maybe some user interface. So for now, we're done, and